Art is my way of communicating with people about who I am and what I stand for. My name is Ampong, and I started Hampshire in fall 2021. My div is a hip-hop, contemporary, interactive dance piece together with animations. It's mostly about bringing the world in our imaginations to life and also getting other people to experience what I'm experiencing. I came up with the choreography, the animations, the film, but then I had backup dancers who told their dance story and like journey.
So when I was choreographing this piece, the first thing that I do is listen to the song over and over again. And I try to like let the song like flow through me, keep freestyling to the music, and I keep building on it. I started dancing when I was in freshman year in high school, but I didn't really like take it serious till I moved here to the United States during my junior year in high school. And then I joined the school's dance team.
In my previous college, I was more like reserved in class. So I found myself participating more at Hampshire because I was given like the liberty to do what I wanted to do, what I felt was unique to me.